today's video is a collaboration with Nadula Hair. I am going to show you guys how I got this specific cut, because I did cut it just a little bit just so it could frame my face and look really nice. So I showed you everything I did to this hair. I showed you how I moisturize it and get it to be tame like this, and I actually think it came out pretty good. So if you want to see how I got the hair to look like this, stay tuned to this video.
I still feel your fingertips gently brushing down my skin. What's still fresh from deep within. Syndrome, yeah. Sheets ain't changed a bit. Can't feel these memories in the washer. So why bother? Oh, why bother? Why? No shell, never ever feel the same. Inside, you're always gonna say my name. Your eyes stay close just to see my face. While she's thinking that I've been replaced. Deny you, deny you. You and I, we stay in denial. Phantom kisses tickle you so. Highly chills whenever the wind blows at night. Take you down at the knees when your sight falls on me. And I left a bond with your taste buds, so she'll never persuade one to forget me for her. So I bother. Oh, she'll never ever feel the same. Inside, you're always gonna say my name. Your eyes get close just to see my face, while she's thinking that I've been replaced. Deny you, deny you. You and I, we stay in denial. No magic tricks, only sugar in my blood mix. I'll always be your favorite fix. Unlike that other bitch, I left more than a spoon to lick.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you learned anything from it, or if you feel like you're gonna try this out with your own hair, please comment down below. Make sure you like this video. Also, I'm gonna link Nadula Hair links for this wig in my description box, so check it out. I may have some coupon codes and all those stuff down there, so I always have it in the description box. Make sure you check my description box if you're interested in anything that I have going on with my hair. I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.